And Neutralite has a huge range of supplements. Please tell us, Dr. Jomi, you as a scientist, please tell us which supplements of Neutralite you find are most relevant in today's scenario from your research, please.
So I'd like to start like this. You cannot control what goes on outside, but you can control what goes on inside. So that is in our hand at least. So I think when I think of the supplements of utmost important currently, proteins are the one which comes to my mind as most important, because that is the backbone of our body's defense system. Then again, antibodies, enzymes, hormones, we know all that, but then this fact need to be reinstated again and again, because we need to take quality proteins. This will improve our immune cells, such as leukocytes, cytokines, phagocytes, which Dr. Sanjeev was mentioning, so which are necessary to maintain the normal immune functions, and these are the ones which help us to fight all the infections. So as you also know that during the therapy of COVID, if somebody got a lung infection, a lot of immunosuppressive steroids are being used. And in some places, they have been like indiscriminately used, because doctors doesn't have time to pay attention to one patient. There is a prescribed treatment, you go ahead and give it to everybody. You cannot measure like how much this person, how much this person. So because of that also, and then again, you cannot complain here, because the situation is so alarming. If you go to the hospitals, that the number of patients, there are no beds, so all those. So then because of these kind of therapies, your immune system get weakened, and then we also know that we can get opportunistic infection in the sense like some pathogens like a fungus or a bacteria may be a normal resident of the body, but when your immune system goes down, they flare up or they multiply and cause infections. uh, for example, a most common one is one Candida fungus, which mostly it occurs to somebody who's undergone a steroid therapy. You get some flaky skin and itching, and it's very annoying. You need some antifungal treatment to get rid of it. And then again, the much talked about black fungus. So all these, it is in fact the mortality is 80% is what we hear. So it is, these are affecting people who are hospitalized. So taking a good quality protein powder like a Nutralite protein powder, it is available in India. This is the best one. So it will help us build the immune system. And if you're trying to prevent an infection, it will help you. And during the course of treatment, and of course, if you are recovering, then you need to take more protein. So that is one thing. And second one, which I think is of importance, is vitamin C. So this contributes to the body's immune defense. It supports both innate and the adaptive immune system. So this also, in fact, vitamin C is like very important both to prevent and treat respiratory infection. It has been used, found to be very useful by research, that it helps a lot in respiratory infections. And we know that it is a potent antioxidant, so we need to load our bodies with vitamin C. And along with vitamin C, supplementation of zinc and vitamin D also have helped people during the disease. And next important is omega 3. So probably we know the most important property of omega 3 is its ability to reduce inflammation. So we know that moderate to severe like disease, this COVID disease will cause inflammatory changes in the body. So that was what Dr. Sanjeev was explaining, because it is like inflammation happens not only in the lungs, because it starts with the lung, or it happens more in the lung. But you have heard that people get diarrhea also, because inflammation happens in the intestine. Then people have got kidney failure, liver issues. So all these we need to be alert. All these can happen. So in fact, omega plays a very big role in reducing the inflammatory changes throughout the body. Taking at least 2 capsules of omega 3 will be highly beneficial. And another property of omega 3 is that it enhances the function of macrophages. So macrophages are the cells which engulf or eat away the unwanted things which are there in the body. So these are important. Then again, I want to specially mention about echinacea. Echinacea, all of us know it is like very effective in boosting up our immune system, and especially for this respiratory system, it gives a very good immune boosting.